I simply double-tapped the light button, and the integrated LED flashlight illuminated the rocky path ahead with surprising clarity. This isn't just a gimmick, it is a tool that I have used for everything from finding keys in a dark pack to navigating a dim campsite. My immediate impression is that Garmin has finally moved beyond the niche, tactical look to create a truly versatile outdoor powerhouse that feels more refined yet remains incredibly tough. Design and build quality. The first thing I noticed when I strapped this onto my wrist was the new metal-reinforced bezel, which provides a much more premium feel than the plastic-heavy Instinct 2. It retains that classic and chunky G-Shock aesthetic that I love, but the materials feel significantly more substantial this time around. The physical buttons have a satisfying and tactile click, which is crucial because this model notably lacks a touchscreen. While some might find that dated, I found it reliable while wearing sweat-soaked gloves during a morning mountain bike session where a touch interface would have surely struggled. Key features in action. The inclusion of the LED flashlight across all sizes is the real star of the show here. I tested the 45mm AMOLED version, and having that dedicated light source available at all times changed how I interact with the watch. Another standout is the SatIQ technology, which automatically manages the multi-band GPS to save power. In my testing through dense forest cover, the GPS tracks were incredibly precise and barely deviated from the actual trail. The transition to an AMOLED screen on this series is also a major shift. The colors are vibrant and the contrast makes reading data fields effortless even in the harshest midday sun. Performance and daily reality. In terms of daily performance, the Instinct 3 is snappier than its predecessor. Navigating through the morning report or checking my training readiness felt instantaneous. I was particularly impressed with the battery management on the AMOLED model, as I managed to get nearly 9 days of use, even with the always-on display active and several hours of GPS tracking. For those who opt for the solar version, the promise of unlimited battery life in smartwatch mode is legitimate if you spend enough time outdoors. It is a set-and-forget device that fits perfectly into a rugged lifestyle without the constant anxiety of finding a charger.
Limitations and trade-offs.
However, it is not all perfect, and the biggest disappointment for me is the continued lack of full topographical maps. In an era where competitors and even other Garmin lines offer detailed offline mapping, being stuck with breadcrumb navigation on a watch this expensive feels like a missed opportunity. You also have to deal with a slightly thicker case that can get caught on tight jacket sleeves, and the lack of a touchscreen makes zooming into your trail path a tedious chore using only buttons. Furthermore, the heart rate sensor occasionally lagged during high-intensity interval sprints, which means serious athletes might still want to pair it with a chest strap for absolute precision. Final verdict. You should buy the Garmin Instinct 3 if you prioritize pure durability and a massive battery over fancy smart features. It is the ultimate companion for hikers, workers in the field, or anyone who wants a watch that can survive a literal beating while providing essential safety tools like the built-in torch. You should skip this watch if you absolutely require on-device mapping for complex navigation, or if you prefer the modern convenience of a touchscreen interface. While it is a significant step up from the previous generation, it remains a specialized tool for those who value utility and toughness above all else.